Now, good morning, guys. Now, good morning. So, my director just called me this morning. He say I go come do 2 hours from August, 1st of August. I can start to dey do 2 hours in the morning. I can dey do 2 hours, 6 hours for the hotel. Now, still the same hotel. You say the hotel big well. So now I can say, you know why I first talk that place? Because it don't take why they look for this opportunity to do more hours, even 6 hours, 8 hours. I never seen since 2009. Now I start to dey work. I know say people dey work for years, e don tell, but I dey share my own with those people there wey dey wait say I no fit na so 3 hours, na so 2 hours, wetin I go do? Continue to insist, continue. Nothing God no go fit do as far as say your heart is clean. Or you go dey that work now, see somebody wey dey do 2 hours. That one dey always dey tell you say I tire this 8 hours. You dey try to pull am down because you wan take that post. It's not good. If you even take that post, the way wey dem go take leave you for house, na you only you wan go sit down say because you bring somebody down to climb the step. It will never work. Always work hard for yourself. Since 2009, now start to dey work 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. So today I'm happy. I'm sharing my good news with those people out there wey dey wait say this kind hours I no go fit. You go fit. Continue to insist. Continue to pray and let your heart be clean. Don't put somebody down and you want to climb up. Since 2009, now start to dey work for you. I'm so happy. Now 2020, I will start to be doing 8 hours while they fight for all these years. I'm proud of myself because now me tell God, you know say I tell una say na this kind house na the stay. I dey pay my house rent too. I come here, I tell God say when I'm going out of here, I'm going to buy my own house. Yes, I'm going to buy my own house. Because me, I don't go this place now. They still get house when they sell. Because this house now, e no even good. But I don't go out now, they say they're not the same. So me, I don't go take, they don't give me paper when I go fee. Me, I won't buy my house. That's why I tell God. You see that? Always be prayerful. Before God go answer your prayer, it go long, but you have to be patient. I thank God for my life. I thank God for my life that give me that patience. Not be say patient dey well because I don't lose many work. You know say patient no go dey well like that. Even the hotel work when I said they do 4 hours, now they be won't give me contract. You know say that time when they won't give me the contract, now they say whether they'll feel make 6 hours for me. Because this 4 hours is too small. You know what they do? They not renew my contract again. They just leave me for us. I just hear say they say they not renew my contract again. And so they leave me for us. Now I can start to continue to struggle to look for another work. People call they talk and say if they won't give you contract, you no need to talk anything. Just take the contract. Later you go they look for another hour. So you know say if person go dey talk, as I dey talk, so person dey learn from me. Me, I learn from you. You see that I'm so happy since 2009 till this time now. You see, I never asked them where for the work, so I never asked them say na so I want do 8 hours. So that's so I just dey work my 4 hours then. I can't dey do 1 hour 30 minutes for another place, but 4 hours when they do for them now, I dey do extra 4 hours the journal can't be 8 hours when they do extra 4 hours. So you see now I'm working the same place now because that place when they do 1 hour 30 minutes now, 3 hours a week in the evening. I no dey work for there again now. This place now, I dey work for the same place, the same hotel. Now they do the 8 hours now. You see, I'll dey do 2 hours in the morning. I'll dey do, after I don't do that one, I enter hotel. They start to the dress bed. It's 8 hours. I'm so happy. I'm proud of myself. I want you to be proud of yourself. Be patient. I know say the patient no go dey, but let your heart be clean. Make your hand clean. You know say this work of 18 now, you go pass many things. You go pass many things for your life. You no go see all this one when you go dey find friend. You no go see. And the time when you no go dey find friend, they go dey come. So it is okay. I'm proud of myself. I'm sharing this good news for you. You, that boy, you, that girl. When you go say Italy, work not dey. Work dey oh, work dey. So the only problem wey dey be say they go dey call you for 3 hours. They go call you, they'll give you contract, two days contract, they go leave you for house. That one go even make you tired. Don't give up. Don't give up. Because na me, na they call every day, they go dey give me 2 hours contract. They go call me today, they'll give me 2 hours. Me I run. They wait for me now. I go run, go do 2 hours. Tomorrow they'll still call me again. You see, when I look my paper there, they come full. Even these 2 hours, money when I receive in the month end, it not reach anything. Me go sit down, they say, God, now so I won't live my life. Now so I take pay my house rent. I don't want to lose my house. I go dey talk. I go dey pray. So don't give up. Italy, work day. This Milano, work day. You have to be patient. I know say they go call you now for 1 hour. Even 2 hours they go call you. 1 hour, 30 minutes. Me that time now they do two bank work. I'll do even 30 minutes for one. I'll go do another one. All together, these 2 bank one they do now. 1 hour. 1 hour, 20 minutes for the 2 bank. Now they do. I go do. I never say another work. I still they insist. I go dey tell this agency. I say, make they help me look for another work. So they not help me. I do that work almost 2 years. When I do that work, so I dey use this opportunity till they tell those people when they say work not dey Italy. Work day Milano here. Work day. The only problem is say you have to be patient. You not go start work today now, they go give you physical contract. Maybe they go give you a week contract. They not go call you again. Continue to insist. You know what I don't pass through. Sometimes I go sit down, carry my curriculum. I go sit down for outside. Say God. That's why I want to live my life. When some people, I'm happy today, I'm sharing this good news. You have to be patient. You see, this contract, why they look for since all these years, God don't do it for me without asking. See, 1st of August now, go start the money home. So when the hotel don't start to the phone now, they'll come give me my physical contract. I'm sharing it with you because I'm happy. I don't want to hold it myself. Somebody is there now to learn from me. 2009, now start to the work. Now they give me physical contract. I always struggle to make sure this my house I not lose them. Because if I lose them now, you know the kind of situation when I go there. So me, I don't want that kind of situation. I want to be proud of myself. I want to stand on my feet. I want to make sure tomorrow I go sit down, they smile when they do so. I don't they smile. They smile. My smile have continued. It will never end. Yes, I will continue that joy, that happiness when I tell God, say God, I will never sell it out. Yes, I stand on it. God say, okay, you know what, sell land, okay, work on it. I continue to work hard to make sure I have this PC contract, so that I can pay my house rent, so that I can be happy today. I'm proud of myself. You my brother, you my sister, when they say work no dey tally, work dey o, work dey. Abeg, una dey get patient, una dey work hard, una go dey live curriculum. Work dey for Italy, e dey, na me talk am, work dey. No be one brother dey beg dey go, e carry one handbag dey go. Now I call am say, brother o, where me for dey work before? They say they dey look for person. The girl na governante, the girl na from Senegal. He say he dey look for governante, whether I know. I tell this brother, he say that one na woman work. Na woman dey do that one, woman work. But man, where me for dey work, men dey do am. Even Italo boy dey do this work. African man dey do that work for them. If that African man wey dey do that work, na you jam am for road, you beg am money, come give you. You know say I say na cost na you carry go house. He say na woman go, if you wan give me the number, give me, I get friend wey I wan give, I go give them. You see am. Na those one dey shout say work no dey for Italy. Tomorrow night go carry a wife, dey say make go Germany, make go dey bring money, government go give am money. Una dey born. If una don make sex finish, na go to get pregnant, na go give another person, make dey help una dey train am. Una no work hard. You have to work hard. Work hard for yourself. You see this brother, na so I give am the number. Maybe if you don comot for there, na you go remove am for your phone, because he no wan work. Tomorrow night go dey shout say, Italy work no dey o. E don tey why I dey find work. That kind person never even wan go one day go find work. Na so hand na dey carry dey go. Ayutami. They go continue to ayutari una. Una go look for work. Italy work dey. I struggle for my 2009, come reach 2020. I'm proud of myself. This my house, I see the struggle dey go. Na so I go come still share the good news with una now, say I don buy my house. I come show una everywhere. So now say my share with una. You my brother, you my sister, you dey there now. They give you contract, a week contract. They give you even 3 days contract. Continue to work hard. Don't give up. When there is life, there is hope. You don't boost somebody down to climb up. Before you get to there, you must pass. Even friend, you not go see them. So I'm proud of myself. That's why I'm sharing with you people. Work there for Italy. Just take the grace of God. You will never see the hours when you dey look for. Continue to insist. God will always be there for you, as He did there for me. Because everybody, we are a child of God. Nobody is born of devil. And even this devil, when we dey talk, so we don't know for how. Everybody is born of God. So you don't need a pastor to pray for you to have easy work. You have to work hard so that God will see you are working hard. He will have more strength to you. God not go come say, you dey inside house, take work. He dey near door. Work not dey knock for door. You have to go hard. I'm proud of myself. Even people wey know me that time, wey know me now, this girl don dey change. Yes. I'm going to come here to show you my new house. I told her, I don't buy my house. I'm going to fill the paper. When I don't fill, I go give them. When they don't call me for the house, after they don't give me my contract, they don't call me for the house. I come show una say, una no say I tell una say I come share my good news. See, and I don't come share my good news. So people are there now. We still dey pass the waiting I don't pass through. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. When there is life, there is hope. May God help us in Jesus' name. Amen.